Charles Benson is in Kenosha County with the latest on today's developments. Charles.
Good evening, Carol. Yes, anticipation building here in Kenosha as closing arguments get closer to wrapping up. Then it will be up to the jury to decide Kyle Rittenhouse's future. Does he go to prison or does he continue to be a free man? Now, these are the three men shot by Kyle Rittenhouse. Gage Grosskreutz of West Allis was 26 at the time he was shot. He survived his injuries. 26-year-old Anthony Huber of Silver Lake in Kenosha County was killed, and as was 36-year-old Joseph Rosenbaum of Kenosha. Now, the case will soon be in the jury's hands. I want to bring in my colleague, Stephanie Haynes, who has been in the courtroom since day one. She was also in the courtroom today and now joins us live.
Charles, attorneys got their final chance today to present their case to the jury, and soon the case will be in their hands to decide on the 5 charges Rittenhouse faces.
Count 6 is dismissed.
Judge Bruce Schrader dropped the gun possession charge against Kyle Rittenhouse Monday morning, citing a part of the law which allows 16 and 17-year-olds in Wisconsin to carry certain rifles. Next, he read the jury instructions.
Self-defense is an issue in this case as to each of counts 1 through 5,
which allows the jury to convict on lesser charges for 2 of the 5 counts. In closing arguments, prosecutors demonstrated how they believe Rittenhouse pointed his gun in the moments leading up to the shooting of Joseph Rosenbaum. They then showed a picture of Gage Grosskreutz injuries after being shot.
I guarantee you, ladies and gentlemen, the defendant had no clue what his gun was capable of. Let's not flinch away from this. It's important that we understand what that gun was capable of that night. It killed 2 people, and it did this to Mr. Grosskreutz's arm.
Prosecutors told the jury the evidence they presented shows Rittenhouse did not act lawfully in self-defense.
None of these people posed an imminent threat to the defendant's life or to cause great bodily harm.
In their closing arguments, defense attorneys reminded the jury the state has the burden of proof.
Kyle, as he sits here, is presumed innocent.
Defense attorneys spent some time dissecting the state's case. They say Rosenbaum chased and threatened Rittenhouse.
And shoots until the threat is immobilized. Ladies and gentlemen, other people in this community have shot somebody 7 times, and it's been found to be okay. And my client did it 4 times in 3/4 of a second to protect his life from Mr. Rosenbaum. I'm sorry, but that's what happened.
Okay, the state's rebuttal case is now underway. It's unclear now if the jury will come back tomorrow to start their deliberations or just start them tonight. That's going to be something the judge decides, and they will also pick those alternates tonight too, Charles.
This case has generated national headlines, but you've been in the courtroom. Has it also generated the interest of the local public?
Certainly, Charles. Today was probably one of the most popular days. There was a line to get into the courtroom this morning, and it was filled with dozens of people, not just media, people who wanted to see what the closing arguments were all about.
Right, Stephanie Haynes, thank you very much.